Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. You can call me Joe, because today's video is going to be about cleaning that fridge and stock up as much as I can, because the kids are going to be home from Friday. So guys, this is all the stuff I got from Aldi, and I run to Asda to pick some baby milk and Cocoa Pops, oats, and I've got oil. Anyway, I normally stack up anyway, so let's talk about Aldi. So if you like your smoothies, they do have mixed ones, and they do have, I like the strawberry ones, and I add it in mine. And I've got some juice, I've got fresh milk, I've got some down there, and there's still milk in the shops, girl. So I've got some snacks for the boys. And you know what I normally do when I buy my when I buy pizzas from Aldi, they are quite nice. My boys like them. What I do is I just take them from the box, and just because it doesn't stay in the freezer for long anyway, so I don't want too much cardboard papers in my house. My thing is too small. So we've got some sausage, of course chicken. You can see the price, which is quite good. I picked 2 because I've got 2 already in the freezer. No, this one is from Asda. I'm going to make myself some banana cake, which I'm trying to lose some of these muffin tops. So I got some coconut oil, because when I went to Aldi, there was no olive oil. So I was like, all right, let me pick some coconut oil and just take the chance. If I go to Lidl and there's none there, then I don't have to struggle. But thank goodness, I will show you the little stuffs soon. Got myself some flour. Girls, you know what? Let's make this advantage. Let's make this negativity going on. Let's do something about it. How about we learn how to bake our own breads? If they tell us not to go anywhere, that's why I said, well, after the banana cake, I'll make myself bread. And I've got some onion. My boys like this, so I always pick some spring onion that it looks like, but it was not enough, so I need to I opened this and I give some to Jaden, so it's open. And some sausage. Oh, I've mixed the shopping up when I was packing them. These ones from Lidl. This is nice. When you use it for stir fry, ooh, it was lovely when I used some last time. So I was like, oh, let me get myself some more. So, girl, got some baking butter here. Ice cream, and I think I should have show you the prices, because they are not on it. So and let me show you this one. It's nice. It is very nice if you're trying to lose some weight or whatever, and you don't want to always grab chocolates. This is nice. If you live where there's Lidl too, Lidl have got some. So, but I think I tried the Lidl one and it's quite nice too. I like that one much. This is quite a bit harder. That's a bit hard. I picked some avocados because I love them with my toast. And of course, I love these appetizers. So I've got some. So Aldi, basically they've got everything, guys, and if I finish I'm going to show you how much I paid, which you'll be shocked, because if I tell you the little stuffs I bought from Asda and these ones, you understand why I love me some Aldi. Girlfriend, if you have all these kids sometimes, and they are the same. I think one day what I'll do is I'll pick some from Aldi and I'll pick some from, maybe, which shop should we compare to? Because some of these shops really take a lot of money from us. Maybe Asda, maybe Tesco's. You can leave a comment down below if you want me to compare these things. I can just pick some from Asda, pick some from maybe Tesco's. Hey, I got some eggs. I saw on Facebook that one of our church members, Mr. Andy, posted that there's no eggs. I got myself some eggs. So I'm not selfish. I was like, let me leave some for other people. So I pick only that. Because anyway, I've got some in the fridge last week shopping. Well, if we are going to be locked down, I've got 2 already. I always stack up. I've got 2 already upstairs, but I'm like, let me pick another one. So this is all the stuff that I pick up from Aldi, and I think some of them, because I've mixed them up, some things came to the side, but well, I'm gonna show you. I got these ones too from Lidl. I'm gonna do, I think I don't have vanilla, so I picked some vanilla, and I've got oil because I've already got the coconut one, so I'm all right. So I'll be fine. We will be fine, girls. We need some wipes. We need some wipes. Okay, so I just picked these few things from Lidl, and I've got a toilet roll. I got the 24-pack ones. It's there. I should have bring it. It's it's in the corridor. So, and I picked this. I got myself some Cocoa Pops from Aldi. So I've managed to stack up to get few that we need. Oh, I love this. I love this. You can make it yourself, but sometimes not every day you want to make things yourself, so you can just scoop some from here. And I've got me some my breakfast stuffs, well, and everything. So this one is going to be my, I'm gonna add it in my banana cake. So girls, what I'm going to do now is ladies, sorry, I'm going to clean the fridge and stack up everywhere, and I will show you how it's gonna look. I'm gonna show you how the fridge looks. just at least once a month or so, I just pick everything and see to it that it's clean. My freezer is full up, so to be honest, I can't do nothing about it because it's too much stuff there. I don't want to bring all of the chips and everything out and clean that place. So if it gets less busy after this whole thing going on, then we can see, ta-da, nice and clean. I hope, yeah, I just wipe everything in the freezer down there, and those corners get messy as well. So please remember, when you're doing it, while you start, you can't stop, can you? You pick every little one. Oh, this is how the fridge is clean now. I need to put everything that I've washed, all the stuffs there in back. So satisfying to see that everything looks nice and clean. So guys, I'm done. Everything is washed down now. I'm just going to dry them up and put everything back. Oh dear, it looks a mess at the moment, but it's gonna be all nice and tidy very soon. So the fridge is nice and clean everywhere. So what's that I can see up there? Oh yeah, nicely done. So I'm gonna put it down, and sorry about the noise. The way the kitchen is, sometimes to do a video here is quite awkward. You can't see where to put the thing to make it record nicely. Oh shoot. Well, hopefully they don't lock us up, because anyway, if you have the grocery, I've managed to clean everywhere, put everything where it is supposed to be, and I'm happy that it's all done. I'll put my eggs in there and drinks up there, spare milk, eggs, and my apple apple cider there. So, and if you come down, I've got some ketchup. I want this to finish before I fill it up. I just don't want to keep putting new on top of it. It's not nice. I just love to finish it. Then that's my fresh milk. Like if you pull them out of the plastic ones, it looks a bit nice there like that. So the fridge is done, and this is what I did. Because I don't have a pantry, I stack a lot of things in on top of the fridge. So this is I've got some porridge oats there, Weetabix, and I've stopped using this for a little bit because when you put Cocoa Pops in and they don't eat it on time, it gets a bit hard. So now they're at home, I might bring it out. Sometimes I just clear everything and use different things, then just to give it a little change. So yeah, I've managed to get myself some hand sanitizer. I got this from Sainsbury's. Last time I took Joel to Explorer and I picked this one up there. So if you live in Swindon and you're looking for some, you can go to Sainsbury's. They have it there. I've got cheese, I've got Jaden's food too. I saw a post on Facebook that a lady says, oh, there's no food in all the aisles, but just go to the baby side, there's still milk there. And I'm like, hopefully we haven't forgot our kiddies. Well, they will eat what we're eating unless they are tiny. So I've managed to tidy up this place too. Well, I've got everything. I need to print out some of the labels, so yeah, this is my protein shake that I'm not good at it. I don't drink it most of the times, so I'm trying to lose this muffin top. How is it gonna work, Joe, if you don't do what you got to do? Well, sis, so I forgot to buy beans and some nuts, fresh nuts. Normally I just put them in